little friends! Welcome to AJKIDZ WORLD, where learning is fun and colorful. Today, we're going to learn all about colors. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the color red. Red like a juicy apple. Red like a shiny fire truck. Can you say red? Great job! Here comes the color blue. Blue like the big sky. Blue like the deep ocean. Say it with me. Blue. Awesome. Look, it's green. Green like the grass we play on. Green like yummy broccoli. Say it. Green. You're doing great. Say hello to yellow. Yellow like the bright sun. Yellow like a banana. Let's say it together. Yellow. Yay! Here comes orange. Orange like an orange. Orange like a pumpkin. Can you say orange? Well done. Wow, it's purple. Purple like grapes. Purple like a magic unicorn. Let's say it, purple. You're amazing. Now we see white. White like snow. White like a fluffy bunny. Say it with me, white. Perfect. And this is black. Black like the night sky. Black like a little kitten. Can you say black? Great job, superstar! Let's say all the colors again together. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, white, black. You did a wonderful job naming the colors today. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to AJKIDZ World and come back for more fun learning. Bye-bye. See you next time.